शादी मतलब 3 दिन का इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर। नैना की शादी, बच्ची को दी पिगीबैक राइड्स आज दुल्हन।
Mr. Mehta, आपका रूम 207. Welcome drink complimentary high.
कपूर फैमिली का नाम है माया कपूर।
माया 15 साल। क्या जरूरत थी ये पूछने की?
Uncle Arjun, finally! आपको और माया आंटी को joint speech देनी है।
माया, तू पागल हो गई है? We haven't spoken in
15 years. I know. But uncle, please. She already said yes.
And there she is, elegant and poised. Their eyes lock. The world fades.
बेटा, इतनी बड़ी हो गई। Speech with Arjun.
Hi माया, अर्जुन, तुम ठीक हो? हाँ, तुम?
Divorce कब हुआ? Mine 2 years. 3 साल।
Kids? एक बेटा रोहन, तेरे? एक बेटी सारा।
Single parents की degree ले ली। PhD कर ली हमने उसमें। हम? Love? अर्जुन, हमने तो अपनी लाइफ के सबसे बड़े love को छोड़ दिया था।
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. Saved by the bell.
So before we start dinner, I want 2 very special people to say a few words. They've both been through love, life, heartbreak, and somehow still believe in this crazy thing called marriage. Please welcome Arjun uncle and Maya auntie.
मैं भी।
So, Maya and I were just informed about this speech approximately 20 minutes ago.
हाँ, so basically हम यहाँ पे improvisation कर रहे हैं, which ironically is what marriage is.
But since you asked, love is complicated.
Complicated? That's your opening line?
Well, what would you say?
I'd say love is foolish, but necessary.
Foolish?
Han, because it makes you do stupid things, like give up your career to follow someone to another city.
Or refuse to follow someone because you're too proud to compromise?
Pride, your self-respect?
Maya?
Anyway, the point is, Naina, Vikram, don't be us. Talk, compromise. Don't let ego ruin something beautiful.
And don't wait 15 years to fix it. Congratulations, you two.
We wish you everything we couldn't have. यार, ये सब क्यों फिर से चालू हो रहा है?
क्योंकि शायद कुछ खत्म नहीं हुआ था। 3 बजे तक नींद नहीं आई। माया का चेहरा, वो बातें, सब कुछ वापस आ गया।
अकेला डिप्रेशन ले रहा है या कंपनी चाहिए?
Maya, good morning.
Morning, though I don't know how good it is after last night's disaster.
Whoa, speech. I'm sorry. Main.
Arjun, stop. We both said what we felt. Maybe it was overdue.
15 years overdue.
Han.
So, how have you been? Really?
Really? You polite wanna answer?
Real wala.
ठीक हूँ, surviving. Therapy ले रही हूँ. Divorce के बाद I realized मैं खुद को भूल गई थी. तो I'm rediscovering Maya Kapoor.
And? कैसी है वो?
Stronger, angrier, but free.
Sounds like a good combination.
तू बता, तेरा क्या हाल है?
Lonely. सारा अमेरिका में है, ऑफिस से रिटायर हो गया, घर में अकेला हूँ, फ्रेंड्स सब बिजी हैं, और मैं बस एग्जिस्ट कर रहा हूँ।
Arjun.
It's okay. I'm not looking for sympathy. बस सच्चाई बता रहा हूँ।
तो फिर ये loneliness क्यों चूज किया? डेट नहीं किया कभी?
डेट? माया, I'm 54. कोई नहीं चाहता एक आदमी जो अपने बैगेज के साथ आए।
बकवास। तेरा प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है। तेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि तू अभी भी उससे ढूंढ रहा है जो तूने छोड़ दिया था। याद है जब हम पहली बार मिले थे? That ridiculous office party?
हाँ, तू पर्पल ड्रेस में थी और मैंने तेरे ऊपर वाइन गिरा दी थी।
Deliberately, because you wanted to talk to me. Guilty. Yeah, we were so young, so stupid. Best kind of stupid. Arjun, yay teen din. Let's just be honest with each other. No filters, no pretense. ठीक है? Deal. Good. तो पहला honest question. क्या तू अभी भी मुझसे प्यार करता है?
तुमने वो क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा? क्योंकि I needed to know. और to answer दे. Maya, it's not that simple. Yes it is. हाँ या ना? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? We broke up. We moved on. We got married, had kids, got divorced. Life happened.
और फिर भी तू मेरा नाम एयरपोर्ट पे पूछा। डेस्क क्लर्क ने मुझे बताया। उसने सोचा मैं तेरी बीवी हूँ। काश होती। माया डोंट। क्यों? क्योंकि सच सुनना मुश्किल है। अर्जुन, मैं अपनी पूरी लाइफ रिग्रेट करती रही। उस दिन जब तू मुझसे बोला था मुंबई चलो और मैंने मना कर दिया। I lost everything.
You had your reasons. Your mom was sick. Your job. Excuses. Sub excuses the. Such है कि I was scared. Scared of losing myself.
और मैंने खुद को खोने से बचाने के चक्कर में हम दोनों को खो दिया।
माया, मैं भी डरता था। I pushed you away क्योंकि I thought तुम खुश नहीं हो. I thought I was holding you back.
Fool. We were both fools. हाँ. तो अब 15 years बाद क्या करना चाहते हो? I don't know. मैं तुझे hurt नहीं करना चाहता. दोबारा नहीं. और अगर हम दोनों hurt हो जाएं? Together? तू serious है? पता नहीं. But I know I can't ignore this. Not again.
शायद सेकंड चांसेस रियल होते हैं, या शायद हम फिर से टूटे दिल के साथ जाएंगे, बट एटलीस्ट वी ट्राइड।
So, you two seem friendlier. नैना, तेरी गलती है। तूने हमें फोर्स किया मिलने को। And I'm not sorry. तू बहुत dangerous है। तू जानती है? I'm a romantic. Sue me. She's right though. We needed this. Han, चलो dance करते हैं। What? नहीं, I don't dance. 15 साल पहले भी यही बहाना था। चलो।
ये फीलिंग, ये लाइटनेस, I forgot what this felt like. मैं भी भूल गई थी।
Okay, fine. That was fun. Told you. Kia hua? Rohan. He's in the hospital. Accident. What? Cobb?
अभी कॉल आया। I have to go. Bangalore जाना होगा। मैं भी चलूं? नहीं, I'll manage. Maya, I'm coming with you. No arguments.
जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो लगता है अब सब ठीक है, और फिर जिंदगी तुम्हें याद दिलाती है कुछ भी ठीक नहीं है।
Doctor, Rohan kaisa hai?
He's stable. He'll recover. Aap usse mil sakti hai.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Decca? He's okay. Sab teek hai.
I thought I'd lose him. Like I lose everyone.
Maya, tu kisiko nahi ko rahi. Main yahan hoon.
I don't deserve you.
Shut up.
Rohan, beta tu ठीक है?
मैं ठीक हूँ, बस थोड़ा सा ड्रामा था।
Drama? Terror accident हुआ.
Ma, you deserve to be happy. I approve.
Hi, Rohan. I'm just moral support.
बस कर. पहले तू ठीक हो जा.
Thank you. For everything. For staying.
People leave. You didn't go.
To marry Maya, hi. But I'm scared.
Tohurt hoagie. At least I'll have tried. With you.
Toe, what now? We go back to the wedding.
Han, Azaz. No hiding. We'll figure it out.
Figure it out. पहली बार लाइफ में मुझे कोई प्लान नहीं था, और शायद that's okay.
माया आंटी, रोहन ठीक है? हाँ बेटा, बिल्कुल. Thanks for understanding. Or Arjun uncle, you went with her?
Han. Someone had to make sure she didn't drive herself crazy.
Right. That's the only reason. Anyway, tonight's the Sangeet, and I expect you both to dance together. Naina, no excuses. You owe me after that toast.
She's relentless.
She gets it from her mother.
So, ready to face the crowd?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Maya Kapoor, dance karaoke?
Thought you'd never ask. Yeah, moment. I've waited 15 years for this.
Maybe we needed those 15 years to grow, to break, to come back.
Arjun?
Han?
I love you. Abibi. हमेशा से.
Man B, I never stopped.
Finally.
Toab,
अब हम जीते हैं. Together. जैसे भी हो.
deal.
Life doesn't give you second chances easily. But when it does, grab it with both hands. क्योंकि अगर नहीं पकड़ा, तो फिर से वेट करना पड़ेगा. और अब वेटिंग का टाइम नहीं है.
दिल्ली जा रहे हो?
Han, or to Mumbai?
हान.
Maya, ये जो हमारे बीच में हुआ, it was real, right?
बिल्कुल real था.
Torab, long distance, at our age,
Sounds ridiculous when you say it like that.
but
But I want to try. अगर तू चाहता है.
मैं चाहता हूँ, बहुत ज्यादा.
छोड़ के जाना ये कभी इजी नहीं होता, चाहे पहली बार हो या दूसरी. लेकिन इस बार मैं वापस आऊंगा, पक्का.
Drama queen.
घर, लेकिन घर जैसा नहीं लगता. सिर्फ एक जगह है जहां मैं सोता हूं.
दिल्ली पहुंच गया?
Ham, to?
हाँ, रोहन कल डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगा. I'll bring him home.
अच्छा है, उसको मेरा सलाम देना.
करूंगा.
ये weird है ना, स्क्रीन पे बात करना.
बहुत weird, but I'll take it.
Same.
अर्जुन, सच बताना, क्या तू डर रहा है कि ये काम नहीं करेगा?
Han, but I'm more scared of not trying.
Good answer.
माँ, ये अर्जुन अंकल सीरियस है क्या? क्यों? प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं यार, उल्टा. I like him. He seems solid.
Solid? MATLAB. Genuine. Not like Dad. Rohan, your dad tried his best.
Ma, please. Dad cheated on you. Multiple times. Don't defend him.
I'm not defending, but he gave me you, so I can't regret everything.
Fair. But Ma, tu deserve karti hai someone who actually shows up.
Our Arjun uncle, he showed up at the hospital for you.
Han, he did.
So fir don't let this go. Long distance, whatever. Make it work.
When did you become so wise?
Jab mera accident hua. Near death experience, Ma. Changes perspective. Answer car and put it on speaker. I want to embarrass you.
Rohan, no! Arjun uncle! Kaisa hai aap?
Rohan, अरे मैं ठीक हूँ, तू कैसा है?
एकदम मस्त. वैसे अंकल, माँ आपके बिना बहुत बोर हो रही है. कब आ रहे हो मुंबई?
Rohan, jaldi, very soon, promise.
Good. क्योंकि अगर आपने माँ को हर्ट किया ना, I know where you live.
Noted. Don't worry, मैं इन ऐसे नहीं हूँ.
ठीक है, माँ को वापस दे रहा हूँ. Bye uncle. Sorry. He's impossible.
I like him. He's protective. Good.
Han, too protective sometimes.
Maya, मैं सच में जल्दी आऊंगा. I'm booking tickets. This weekend. Paka.
Okay, I'll wait.
पहली डेट. 54 साल की उम्र में लगता है मैं पागल हो गया हूं.
Sorry, traffic tha.
It's okay. You look beautiful.
Arjun Mehta, since when do you give flowers?
Since I realized I should have given them 15 years ago.
Smooth, bahut smooth. Yar, I forgot how good Mumbai street food is.
How do you eat this? It's pure fire.
Oi, handle Mumbai masala?
I can handle it. Liar.
Wais, this is nice, normal, not like the wedding drama.
Han. Just us.
Real talk, how is this going to work? To Delhi may Mumbai may. Our lives are separate.
So we make them unseparate.
How?
I don't know yet.
But Maya, I didn't come this far to give up now.
But what does that mean? Do you move here? Do I move there? Do we just keep flying back and forth?
For now, huh? We fly back and forth. And slowly, we figure out the rest.
That's not a plan.
I know. But plans didn't work for us before. Toab, let's just live.
Live. Okay, I can do that.
Maya?
Han?
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. I know I said it at the wedding, but I want to say it again, clearly. मैं Your flat. It's so you. Books, plants, art.
Han, after the divorce, I wanted a space that was just mine, no compromises.
And now? Am I a compromise?
Nahi, you're a choice, a good one.
Same. To be.
Arjun, मैं डर रही हूँ
क्या से?
कि ये too good to be true है, कि कुछ टूट जाएगा.
तो टूट जाएगा, लेकिन हम दोबारा बना लेंगे.
Promise.
Promise. लव का यही मतलब है, डर के साथ जीना, but not alone.
Han, not alone.
You're dating? Since when?
Beta, it's complicated.
Complicated how? You met someone or you didn't?
I did. Her name is Maya. We actually dated before, long time ago.
Wait, before mom?
Han,
So, ex-girlfriend?
technically, but Sarah, listen.
Dad, I don't care. If you're happy, I'm happy.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, you've been lonely since the divorce. It's about time.
I wasn't that lonely.
Dad, you watch the same 3 movies on repeat. And eat cereal for dinner.
Fair point.
So when do I meet her?
Soon, maybe during your winter break.
Deal. But Dad, don't screw this up, okay?
I'll try not to.
तो अंकल क्या करते हो आप?
I was in corporate finance. Retired about.
Boring.
Rohan,
What? I'm just saying, finance is boring.
You're not wrong. What about you? Your startup?
AI-based mental health app. We're trying to make therapy accessible.
That's amazing. Seriously.
Thanks. Most people don't get it.
I get it. After my divorce, I should have gone to therapy. Didn't. Regret it.
Okay, uncle, real question. Why my mom? Like, what's the deal?
Rohan, you can't just...
No, it's okay. I'm your mom. She's the person. I should have never let go. And now that I have her back, I'm not making the same mistake.
Okay, solid answer. But uncle, अगर आपने उसको hurt किया, तो I'll personally.
I know. You'll hunt me down. Your mom told me.
Good, we're clear then.
So, Maya Auntie, Dad says you're a therapist?
Han, child psychologist.
That's so cool. Do you like it?
I love it. Kids are honest. Adults? Not so much.
True. Auntie, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you love my dad? Like, for real?
Han, I do. Very much.
Good, because he's been sad for a long time. And now, he's not. So thank you.
Sarah.
Also, I Googled you. You're
Surprisingly, Acha. But I keep waiting for something to go wrong. Why? क्योंकि हर बार कुछ गलत हो जाता है. My first marriage failed. अर्जुन के साथ भी पहले टूट गया था. तो अब मैं डर रही हूँ. डर किस बात का? कि मैं खुद sabotage कर दूंगी. कि मैं उसे दूर कर दूंगी. क्योंकि I don't know how to be loved.
Maya,
You deserve love, but you have to believe that first. I'm trying. Good. Keep trying. Yes, surprise hai.
I know, but I wanted to talk. Agar time hai.
Han, come in. To? What brings you here?
I'm seeing someone. Seriously. And I wanted to tell you.
Oh, okay. Good for you.
Priya, I also wanted to apologize for not being present in our marriage. I was there physically, but emotionally I was somewhere else.
Arjun, we both made mistakes.
But I need to own mine. I never got over Maya, and I brought that baggage into our marriage. It wasn't fair to you.
I knew. I always knew.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. We gave each other Sarah. That's enough.
Han.
So, Maya? Say Maya?
Han.
Then don't mess it up this time.
I won't.
Arjun, I saw my therapist today.
अच्छा क्या बोला उसने?
She said I need to stop waiting for things to fall apart.
Smart woman.
Han, but it's hard. I keep thinking, what if we're just repeating old patterns?
We're not. We're different now.
How do you know?
Kyunki, I went to see Priya today
What? Why?
to apologize, to close that chapter properly. I never did that.
And? How was it?
Good. Painful, but good. Maya, I'm done carrying ghosts. I want to be here, fully, with you.
Man bhi. I want that too.
So let's do it. No more fear. DK?
Feek high.
कभी कभी लाइफ में एक डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है और फिर बस ले लेना चाहिए.
Sir, one-way ticket to Mumbai?
One way.
Dad, are you serious? You're moving?
Han. I'm done with long distance. I won't be with her.
But your apartment? Your life there?
Sarah, I don't have a life there. I have a routine. There's a difference.
Okay, I'm proud of you, Dad.
Really?
Yeah, you're finally choosing yourself. Go.
Arjun, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
Relocation.
What?
मैं मुंबई शिफ्ट हो रहा हूँ, if that's okay with you.
Arjun, तू pagal hai kya? Your apartment, your friends.
Can visit. Maya, I don't want to fly back and forth anymore. I want to wake up next to you. Every day.
लेकिन ये बहुत बड़ा step है.
I know. But I'm ready.
तू सच में आ गया?
Han, suck mine.
Idiot. Lovely, stupid idiot.
I love you too. No couples allowed unless married.
We're engaged. Han just. Long engagement.
This is more than my mortgage in Delhi. Welcome to Mumbai.
यार, apartment ढूंढना इतना hard क्यों है? क्योंकि we're picky. You're broke. That too. Arjun, serious question. You sure about this? Moving here, for me?
Maya, why do you have so many books? Kyunki I read, unlike some people.
Lunch! Also, you two fight like an old married couple already.
Maya, about Vikram. I'm here if you want to talk.
He broke me. You can't fix someone who doesn't want to change. Now I know what I do want. You. This. Us.
1 साल हो गया. हर सुबह सोचती हूँ ये सपना तो नहीं.
Kaya soch rahi ho, Maya.
बस ये सब. How normal it feels.
Normal is good. We never had that before. Sarah reminded me, it's 1 year today.
The wedding disaster. Our beginning.
Dinner tonight? To celebrate us.
Okay. Simple place. Not fancy.
Deal.
So, Maya, 1 year. How has it been? But I'm scared. Scared of what, Maya? Of failing again. Marriage didn't work for me. Last time was different. You were with the wrong person. How do you know this? Do you feel safe, seen, respected with Arjun? Yes, all of it. Then you deserve this happiness. Stop punishing yourself. You're right, I will try. Yeah, Jutta. Yeah, perfect hai.
I know. No pressure, no show, just us.
Yaad hai last year? Wo speech?
How can I forget? I wanted to die on that stage.
Main bhi. But shayad we needed that. To say those things out loud.
Ha, shayad.
Arjun, can I ask you something?
Always.
Are you happy? Like, truly happy? या कभी कभी सोचते हो कि तुमने गलती कर दी? Leaving Delhi, your life.
Maya, look at me.
Maya looks into his eyes, searching for answers.
Best decision of my life. Hands down. No regrets. Zero.
Paka?
Paka.
Their dinner concluded, they walked towards the gentle beach. Under the moon, they strolled, the waves a soothing melody.
Maya, I need to tell you something.
Okay.
I've been thinking a lot about us, about what we want.
And?
And I realized I don't need a wedding. I don't need a ceremony or a priest or guests.
MATLAB?
MATLAB. I just need you. Every day. That's it.
Arjun, I don't understand.
अगर तू चाहती है तो मैं प्रपोज कर सकता हूँ.
Arjun.
Before you panic, Kinky, I want to be yours, officially. In whatever way makes you comfortable. I'm not asking for a big shadi. I'm not asking you to change your name, or wear sindoor if you don't want to. मैं बस ये चाहता हूँ कि तू जाने that I'm committed, fully, forever.
तू propose कर रहा है?
Technically, हाँ, but no pressure. If you want to just keep living together, that's fine too. If you want a court marriage, done. If you want nothing at all,
Shut up.
okay.
You're rambling, like you did that first night at the wedding.
Sorry, main nervous hoon.
Don't be. Ask me properly.
Maya Kapoor, will you marry me? In whatever form feels right to you.
ये वो मोमेंट है जहां मैं पहले हमेशा भाग जाती थी, लेकिन अब भगना नहीं है. Han.
Han?
Han, yes, but on one condition.
Anything?
No big wedding, just us, Sarah, Rohan. Maybe close friends? That's it.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
It's beautiful.
Not as beautiful as you.
Cheesy, but I'll take it.
जिंदगी ने एक और चांस दिया. और इस बार मैं छोड़ने वाला नहीं.
शादी, जिंदगी, दोनों साथ चलेंगे इस बार.
When were you planning this, Arjun?
Last 3 months, Sarah helped me pick the ring.
She said yes? Dad, you did it! Yes, beta. I said yes. Thank you.
Finally! Rohan, tu yahan kab se hai? Arjun uncle gave me a key. I've been waiting hours.
हाँ, मैंने हाँ कहा.
Welcome to the family, uncle. So, when is the wedding?
A new family, a beautiful start.
You know, I never thought Really?
2 crore.
Oh my god!